Feral cats often struggle to survive in cold or harsh weather without a safe place to stay. Creating a simple shelter can protect them from rain, snow, and freezing temperatures. Fortunately, there are easy ways to build a cozy shelter that helps them stay warm and safe. The easiest way to make a feral cat shelter is to use materials that are inexpensive, readily available, and weather-resistant. Many people start with a sturdy plastic storage container, a large, clean cooler, or styrofoam shipping box. These containers are ideal because they are lightweight, easy to move, and provide a solid barrier against wind and rain. Choose a container that is big enough for a cat to comfortably turn around in, but not so big that it will be difficult to keep warm. Once you have your container, the next step is to create an entrance that protects the cat from the wind and rain. Cut a hole on one side that is just large enough for a cat to enter. It is important to avoid making the opening too big, as this can let in cold air and make the shelter less effective. Some people add a flap made from thick plastic or heavy fabric to cover the entrance. Insulation is key to keeping a feral cat warm. One of the simplest methods is to use straw, which is a natural, dry material that holds heat well. Avoid using blankets or towels, especially outside, because they can retain moisture and freeze, making the shelter colder instead of warmer. Place a generous amount of straw inside the shelter, filling the bottom so the cat can nest comfortably. You can also add more straw on top or around the sides for additional insulation, creating a cozy environment that will stay warm even in freezing temperatures. Covering the top of the shelter with a waterproof layer, like a tarp or heavy-duty plastic lid, can further protect it from rain or snow. This ensures that the interior stays dry, which is critical for keeping the cats healthy and comfortable. Another important tip is to elevate the shelter slightly off the ground. This prevents moisture from seeping in from rain or snow and helps keep the shelter dry. Small bricks, wooden pallets, or even cinder blocks can be used to raise the shelter a few inches off the ground. Location matters as much as the construction itself. Place the shelter in a quiet, safe spot where cats already feel comfortable. Avoid areas with heavy foot traffic or close to busy streets. Many people put shelters near fences, sheds, or under bushes, where cats can feel hidden and secure. By dedicating a little time and care, you are giving these animals a chance to stay healthy, safe, and protected throughout the year. Every feral cat shelter you build is a meaningful step toward helping these independent creatures live better lives, especially during the toughest seasons.